Hello my friend, and welcome back to another episode of Junk Journal with me. So as usual, I'm starting out with figuring where I want to start, and I'm just looking through my journal until I landed up on this beautiful envelope. I'm using this beautiful image that I got from, I think, the Vinci book. But yeah, it's a beautiful image of a young girl, and I really wanted to make her the main focal point. So yeah, in the background I just wanted some neutral colors. And at first I thought of using some of Johanna's beautiful linen, but I didn't get a chance because this page it was very busy already. So yeah, I'm just looking at my scraps again. So I'm grabbing my little tray of scraps that is on my table, and I'm just looking through to see what scraps I want to use. And I'm trying to stick with the same neutral colors. So yeah, after I know what scraps I want to use, I decided to go and just cut the image. And I have this beautiful linen from Johanna's. I will link them below as well. And I cut it to the size that I wanted, and I just tried it out, but at the end I didn't use that. I'm grabbing a piece of scrap with music notes on it. I have my mom's handwriting as well. After I have all the scraps that I want to use, I cut the image. I cut the little flowers. I distressed everything, but I left some of the scraps not distressed because I want to keep it neutral. And now I'm just distressing the image as well, so it will pop better on the page. And I'm putting a bit on the image itself because it's very shiny. So yeah, I'm just collaging the page to see how I want things to work and where I want to put them. I have this beautiful envelope and I really want to use that. I think it's from the Graphics Fairy but I'm not sure anymore. So if you know where the image is from, let me know and I will link it below as well. But I think it's from the graphics fairy. I'm starting to collage the page, and after I learned from my previous video, which I will link below, I decided not to put the Mod Podge on the entire scraps. I just put a little bit of glue stick on it and just lay it flat on the surface. And after that, I'm using the matte finish Mod Podge, and I'm just putting it all around the scrap so it will sit better. So yeah, I'm just slowly collaging the area around the image. I love this envelope so much, it's so beautiful. So yeah, now I'm just gluing the flowers. I have this little scrap of paper with the local library stamp on it. It was an old book and I just grabbed it. So I distressed a lot of I put a lot of distress ink on it. And yeah, now I'm just gluing the image itself. And yeah, this page turned out so beautiful. I love the image. It's so romantic and so daydreamy, like, so I'm really happy with this. And I wanted to put a tag or a label, so I grabbed my label stickers, which I don't have much of, and I grabbed this little, I think it's a wrapping paper, thin wrapping paper, and I really want to use that as well on the page. So I glue it onto the page with a Mod Podge again, just very thinly. I added the sticker after I distressed it, of course. And yeah, I'm just putting just a bit more Mod Podge on the sticker so it will stick better. And now I'm just writing daydreaming of you because of the picture. and yeah, it's pretty much dry, so I went and just distressed a bit the background, not the image itself, because I wanted to pop a bit more. So I just distressed around it. And yeah, it turned out well, and the envelope's still intact, so I can put some images inside and stuff like that. I'm so sorry about the birds. Living in the country can be hard, and recording. So yeah, I took my new watercolor pencils and the ink tints, and I just wanted to add a bit of color around the image, just so it will pop a bit more. Even though I didn't put much, I can already see the difference. I took my watercolor brush and I just faded a bit the color. And yeah, even though it's a very delicate change, I can still see the change, so I love it. That's pretty much it. I love that I can tuck inside some images and notes. I really love the flowers with the envelope and the image itself. Everything turned out beautiful. So yeah. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next episode with a little small haul that I wanted to share. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye!